Just a quick upload today. We're talking about our Christmas lights we're throwing up. These are the C9 bulbs, and they come in, I think these are 9 inches here. And then as you can see, these clips here are the ones that would connect to like underneath your shingle or your gutter. And they don't quite do what they advertise, so that's where these come in. Okay, see if I can get this open one-handed. While I do that, look at Callan. Callan, can you say hi to YouTube?
Hi.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Good job. Do you want to go play? Oh, yep, that's how it works. Oh, no, you can't take the GoPro. Do you want to go play more t-ball? You can go over there and show them how to play t-ball. Okay, put the ball on the. Tell me when you get it on there. Okay. No, your bat's over here.
No.
Oh, where are you gonna go? Oh, you want to get, okay, he wants to go get a basketball. Anyway, so here are the clips. Here's one. So instead of just this clip here, we're going to use this to go underneath the shingle here, like this. So it'll clip inside there and there. It'll hold itself still. This will go underneath the shingle. And that way you can get this tight, this line tight, and these will stay perfectly erect. Quick little demonstration on how that went down. Just like this. So then your wires down here will stay underneath, will stay vertical, and then this will go up underneath your shingle like this, and it'll stay perfect. Here, let me show you. I got a little example of stuff that's done already. So I don't know if you can, yeah, you can kind of see what's going on here, but they're perfectly lined up, perfectly spaced, and of course they're not going to move. So let me get it set up here. Yeah, you see what I got going there. Couple inches short. That's what she said. As we can see, we got them up now, and this is how they'll sit. Right like that in there. And we just go all the way across and connect. Callan's out playing again. Got the whole string done above the high part of the house, and you can just see how well they're so taut there, and they stand perfectly. And then the line is just excellent the whole way through. So just love it. These clips and the C9s, it's the way to do it. Haters are gonna hate. Look at those cute moccasins she's wearing. Project's all done. Really like how it turned out. They're perfect. Those clips make all the difference. Of course, now it's getting dark, so it doesn't come across as well, but gosh, it doesn't look as tall through the lens here, but I was shaking like a leaf up there. Anyway, that's how I did it.